First thing you have to do when getting the apples ready to do whatever you're going to do with them is you have to cut them up and cut the centers out of them. We started out doing this with a knife, which was pretty labor intensive. I remembered I had this wonderful Pampered Chef apple corer and slicer, and it's going remarkably faster. We're trying this Instapot to cook the apples. It cooks the apples in 8 minutes under pressure. We have cooked 4 pounds of apples. We're gonna run it through the sieve to get all the pulp and stuff out for applesauce. I'll let you know how it goes. What you see here is applesauce that we jarred, as some people would say. We ended up with 16.5 pints of applesauce, which was about 20 pounds of apples. We cooked them with the skins on them to get as much of the nutrient out of the skin into the applesauce as we could. And it turned the applesauce a very light pink color, which I think is fun.